So hello folks, welcome to my page once again. The time now is 11:41, -5 New York time. I will quickly go through what uh, price printed from 7 to up to now. Um, what you're seeing right now is the 5 minutes time frame, but I will kind of go back to the 1 hour. A lot of annotations right there, so you don't have to worry about them. Again, all of these will be well illustrated in the lower time frame. As you can see, this is where price opened and rallied up like let's see, over 100, rallied up over 1,300 pips. That's a lot. That's a lot. Um, I have what I do at the 1 hour time frame is that I point out my fair value gaps. Those are my FVGs, and I classify them by whether they're bullish or bearish, meaning whether they are sell side or buy side. Um, on my chart, I have these here. These are buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and I have this small here, and I have another one here. Um, I think those are all that I wanted to point out. I will switch to the 15 minutes time frame just to mark out the liquidity zones and other PD arrays. Um, if there is a lot of noise in the background, you have to forgive me. Sorry, I have a lot of neighbors who are making noise. I have this sell side liquidity here. I also have another sell side liquidity here. I have this buy side, which is the all-time highs. Remember, gold has been bullish. I also have this minor buy side here and this minor buy side here. Um, Assuming that we just got to the chart at 7 there, I will I would have marked out this liquidity, this one here, and this one here, this one here. This was taken out by this one, so I will have marked this, and this one. This right here is a rejection block. So basically, through from pre-market session to up to now, we only use this liquidity and this liquidity right here, and this one here. Um, the basis of marking out liquidity is just knowing where the market is likely to reach, and I said liquidity is like fuel for the market, and it reaches to those points because there has been stops placed there, and those are the retail stops, the people who trade supply and demand. um I don't really have much FVGs here, so I only used this time frame to mark out liquidity, and you can see all of them there. Move lower to the 5 minutes time frame. um this is London high. This is at 3:30, and we just sold off coming for this liquidity here. Just uh, for the London session, that sell side there, and yeah, this whole move here was for the London session. So these could be corrected when the market opens. So you can automatically like be aware of that. Again, we are seeing this sell side liquidity here, this here, this here. Um, the market when the market opened at 7, this was its point of interest, and it came took out that liquidity and came again for this minor sell side, rallied up to the buy side here, and I don't know what this is. There was no news events today, but this is crazy. This this can wipe your account within minutes. This is crazy because this kind of moved 620 pips. That's abnormal. That's abnormal. But considering how gold has been volatile of late, I'm not surprised. Came out, took out the sell side, and immediately started going higher for this. These imbalances that I marked out on the 1 hour time frame are going to be used as points of references. They can simply tell you where the market is going to, considering that you already have your liquidity pointed out. Have this sell side here, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Also, this one here, this IFBG, inversion fair value gap, 5 minute IFBG, which uh, posed for the London market model. Um, you can see how price used the top of this 1 hour BC, rallying up to this, and having this 5 minute CV. You can see how the candlesticks are respecting, and this right here is an order block there, not well painted out, but you can as well simply use the Fibonacci to point out the mean threshold. That's the midpoint of that order block. This candle makes the order block, and you can see how the candlesticks are respecting there, and it's actually building up the narrative that it's coming for the sell side here. And right before the New York silver bullet, price rallied up heavily, taking out that buy side liquidity and respecting that IFVG once again. Remember, this is a reclaimed CB, and immediately just dropped to this liquidity. After taking it out, you see how the candles are forming. They're forming just above, the bodies are closing above this wick, this low, above this low. Sorry. Um, I might wanna see price taking out this buy side liquidity and this one here, and then maybe rally up or calm down to this sell side liquidities here. It doesn't really have to take out the buy side liquidity right now, but it will. Today at 10 p.m. Um, that is at the evening session. The, 2. We have news events. I'm not really sure whether it's 2 or 2:30. We at 2 and 2:30 we have news events, and we might want to see volatility there. So be aware. Thank you for viewing, and see you next time.
Peace out.